So what you can also do inside of notes in Evernote is you can go around onto the insert menu right here. So once you go around onto the insert menu, you can see table is an option. So if you were to go around and click on table, then a table is inserted, as you can see. So you can go around over here and then you can type in, let's say, SN right here, type in 1, and to add in another row right here, you can press tab right here just like this. So you got 2, 3, 4, 5 just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can go around and add a name right here just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say Apple, car, and so forth right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around maintain our table. And over here, you can see that these are rows and columns right here. And you can go around over here, click on the plus button to add in more rows and columns according to how you want as well. Just go around onto the end and click, and you can add in more rows, as you can see. We are going to discuss more about that in the later video. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.